Hello everyone, I'm here with another project share. This is the February Kit Club project. It's called Hidden Treasures. And I'm calling it Hidden Treasures because it's got secret compartments, guys. It's a trunk, as you can see, and it's a beautiful trunk. It looks just as good on the front as it does on the back, on the sides. Beautiful. It's a play on a steamer trunk, so it's got that longer that it's got the height on it as opposed to the width on in this case. And again, Hidden Treasures February Kit Club project. I'm going to take you on a tour of the inside of this, and then I'm going to tell you what the Kit Club options are because many of you are asking about that. So it's Hidden Treasures for two reasons, and I'm going to show you why. So it opens up just like a traditional trunk, and as you can see, you've got beautiful space here for a mini album if you wish. I'm actually going to use the Tim Holtz uh, the the clipboard mechanism to create a mini album for up top. Then the hidden treasures comes in because there are some more spaces. Hopefully you can identify them. So over here there's a secret drawer, and this is where the main mini album will be housed right here. So you've got this secret drawer that you can actually lift this up and the drawer does not come out. All right, so it's most definitely a secret drawer. If you are not looking for it, you're not gonna know it's there. So again, opening up like a traditional trunk. And then for the second hidden treasure, it's right here, guys. This is a magnetized door that we have right here. And in this area here, we've got a functional frame for a beautiful 5x7, 4x6, whatever you want to put in there, or perhaps a message. And you have another drawer for a mini album or whatever you want to put in here, whatever memorabilia you'd like to house here, it will most definitely function for that. So a beautiful size on here. Again, full-size photographs will fit into this trunk. So again, the February Kit Club project, all of the kits are sold out for the February Kit Club all the way through March. The open enrollment is currently available for April, May, and June. However, I added a new function or a new option, excuse me, to my Kit Club because so many of you have so many of you have so many supplies that you want to go ahead and use on these particular projects, and so many of you have asked for the videos. I created a digital Kit Club option. All right, so this is sold out in terms of receiving a kit at your home with all of the goodies that you see here. All right, however, the digital version of the Kit Club is available. You get the tutorial, you get all of the videos that the Kit Club members receive, as well as the bonus projects. So you get 6 projects. That is 6 projects for the quarter when you sign up. I'll put a link below to this particular quarter so you can receive these projects. All right. And again, the digital version is just the tutorial, the videos, and the bonus projects that are super, super popular. Okay, so you can make this using your own supplies with that new digital option if you missed out during open enrollment to receive a kit to make this one exactly like mine. And if you're wondering what paper this is the gorgeous paper by Tim Holtz. It's called Wallflower. In an earlier video, I still have glue on my fingers. In an earlier video, I did a product preview of what was going to be in this kit, and this is the paper, guys. Look at how beautiful it translated over to this project. I mean, the paper alone is hidden treasures because you look at it and it's got so much in it that every time you look at this paper, you find a new fantastic image, icon, whatever you want to call it. It's simply gorgeous, and this project was screaming for that paper, so I had to use it. So again, thank you so much for Tim Holtz for putting out such wonderful product here. And it's really important. I can't make these fun projects without amazing paper, so I appreciate it when we have a fantastic paper collection to work with. So over here, guys, all chipboard, again, with the beautiful Tim Holtz Wallflower collection. We've got a ton of brads here and a magnetized closure for the secret compartment, which you see right here. This hardware is a Paper Phenomenon Kit Club exclusive, so this will not be available in my trinket shop. But remember, again, you can make this with your own supplies, so don't worry about that. Closures, you most definitely can improvise and use your own closures. So there's the magnetized closure there. All right, so hidden treasures. I will be back with another video to show the mini album in this one. All right, but look at how beautiful those hinges and all of these brads. I think this project goes down in the record books for the most brads that I've ever used. I thought the memory box did, but this one beats it. This one has 120 brads in this kit. You get all of these brads, so it's kind of cuckoo. But I mean, you have to use them, otherwise the project wouldn't look as fabulous as it does right now. So again, hidden treasures, because this trunk has hidden compartments for you to house all of those memories. And even if they're not hidden, it's just such a fun way. If you have nothing to hide, it's just a fun way to display your memories. Even here, you can definitely use this spot to add some memorabilia here. You can include a pocket here. You can't put too much because you don't want to lose this. Otherwise, you'll see that there's something there. And the whole point is to have that hidden factor. So a lot of fun on this project. A beautiful home decor piece. I'm sure you guys are going to be super proud to put this one on display once it's all said and done, if you've created your hidden treasures trunk. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Check out the description box below for the link to the Digital Kit Club, and if you're interested in signing up for the next quarter, really fun projects in that next quarter, I will also put a link down below. Thank you again for joining me. Until next time.